All right, everyone, here we are, lesson 2, year unit lesson planning in ELA. So I just thought I'd share some pictures with you from that amazing Cypress experience. And we're gonna have a little bit of a debrief about it, but just keep all of those concepts, ideas that we talked about in Cypress close to the surface, as we will be coming back to those throughout the term. So basically, okay, so I have to just figure out how I'm going to. Okay, that's moving that. I have multiple screens going here, so bear with me. So here we go. My goal for today's class is I want you to start the journey of constructing plans from macro to micro with knowledge of the intricacies of elementary literacy and language so that you can be an amazing and inspiring LA teacher. That's ultimately why we're doing all these education courses, is so that you, hang on, I'm gonna get rid of this light so I don't have a halo. Whoa, how's that? Now I'm in like weird darkness. Oh well, we'll see if that works. So we ultimately want you to be amazing and inspiring teachers, which is why we have you doing all these education courses. But specifically, I want you to, I want you just to start down this journey of being amazing planners, because the skills that you learn in the next 10 weeks, you will take into your practicums, you will take into your first year of teaching, you'll take into your 10th year of teaching, your 20th year of teaching. And we really just want you to have a really good sense of what this planning thing is all about. Okay, so ultimately, here we go. What if we had just gone to Cypress without doing backwards design thinking beforehand or connecting to program goals? Right? It might have looked a little bit more chaotic, like this picture of us, than hopefully it did. We probably still would have had fun at Cypress, but we would not have really focused on any particular learning, which is ultimately our job. Our job is to focus on particular learning, and that's what we did. We looked at your TQS objectives, we looked at your MRU, MHC objectives, and then we designed everything that we did at Cypress. Okay, so what I want you to do is right now, I want you to take a few minutes and just do a little bit of a debrief from Cypress. So from your view as a learner, what is your perspective of learning through experiential learning? What are the challenges of learning this way? What are the rewarding aspects of learning this way? And then from your view as a future teacher, how can you see yourself including this type of learning and teaching in your classroom teaching? What will be the strengths and weaknesses of teaching through experiential learning from a student and teacher perspectives? So what I want you to do is I want you to just take about 5 to 10 minutes and just answer those questions, because again, these are important reflection pieces for you. I'm actually going to stop the video. What I'm going to do is use the same PowerPoint for all of the videos today, but I'm going to chunk this first one into sort of Cypress Reflection, then year planning, then writing, a writing assignment, and then unit, and then lesson planning. It's just so that it's a bit, it's not such a long video. So stop the video and go through these reflection questions right now. You can write this anywhere you want. It can be in your Cypress book, or it can be on a document on a computer.